Hello viewers, in this video I'll show you how to fix Instagram could not load media problem in Instagram app. If you want to solve this problem, please follow the step. Step 1. Open your phone setting. Search Wi-Fi. You make sure your Wi-Fi or mobile data connection is properly connected. Step 2. Long press or long tap in Instagram app. Go to Apps Info. Click on Storage. Again click on Clear Data. Tap on Clear Cache Data. Step 3. Open Play Store. Go to Search. Search Instagram app. Update your Instagram application latest version. Step 4. Restart your device and again open it. You can follow all of the steps to fix Instagram could not load media problem in Instagram app. If this video helpful for you, please subscribe our channel and like this video.